हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कॉम्पिटिटिव इलेक्ट्रिकल के चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आरआरबी जूनियर इंजीनियर 2015 का सॉल्व एनालिसिस वीडियो आज मैं लेकर आया हूं आप सभी के लिए। 2015 का क्वेश्चन पेपर सभी ब्रांचेस के लिए कॉमन था, लेकिन इस बार जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं सभी ब्रांचेस के लिए पेपर अलग अलग होने वाला है। मैंने एसएससी जेईई 2018 की भी सॉल्व एनालिसिस वीडियो बना ली है। इसका लिंक आपको वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। यह पेपर 28 अगस्त 2015 को फर्स्ट शिफ्ट में पूछा गया था। इसमें टोटल 150 क्वेश्चंस हैं। इस क्वेश्चन पेपर में स्टार्टिंग में टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं और लास्ट में कंप्यूटर, एप्टीट्यूड और फिर जीके जीएस के सवाल भी हैं। तो चलिए देखते हैं। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्सप्रेशन इज ट्रू फॉर टीडीएस इक्वेशन? इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी। PMM1 इज क्लोजली रिलेटेड विथ, सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडाइनमिक्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, octane number of isooctane is, answer is 100. Petrol is used in which cycle? सही आंसर है Otto cycle. Question number 5, isolated system indicate, ऑप्शन सही है D, both mass and energy of a substance does not cross the boundary. Question number 6, heat transfer by molecular collision in, सही आंसर है convection. Question number 7, which one of the following have a highest thermal conductivity? सही आंसर है solid ice. Question number 8, oxyacetylene welding is categorized in, सही आंसर है option B, gas welding. Acetylene gas is stored in cylinders in, सही आंसर है liquid form. The temperature at which the new grains are formed in the metal is called, सही आंसर है option D, recrystallization temperature. Question number 11, the process of improving the cutting action of grinding wheel is called, सही आंसर ऑप्शन बी, dressing. Question number 12, the angle on which the strength of the tool depends is, सही आंसर है rake angle. Question number 13, feed rate in milling operation is expressed as, सही आंसर है millimeter per tooth. Question number 14, the casting defect which is not caused by high pouring temperature of metals is, सही आंसर है मेटल्स पेनिट्रेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ स्क्विरल केज 3-phase इंडक्शन मोटर? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, कार्बन ब्रशेस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, नंबर ऑफ पोल्स ऑफ अ 3-phase इंडक्शन मोटर व्हेन स्पीड ऑफ मोटर इज 600 RPM एंड सप्लाई फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 50 Hz इज, ऑप्शन ए, 10 सही आंसर है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, एयर प्री हीटर इज अ पार्ट ऑफ, सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, थर्मल पावर प्लांट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, स्टील पाइप्स आर मैन्युफैक्चर्ड बाय, सही आंसर है रेजिस्टेंस वेल्डिंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, हॉपकिंसंस टेस्ट ऑफ ए डीसी मशीन इज कंडक्टेड एट, सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, फुल लोड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, हीट जनरेटेड अक्रॉस द रेजिस्टेंस इज, सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, directly proportional to the square of current flowing through it. Question number 21, which of the following is not a type of transformation on the basis of cooling system? सही आंसर ऑप्शन डी, अमोनिया कूल्ड. Question number 22, the following is a circuit representation of, इसका सही आंसर है ऑटो ट्रांसफॉर्मर, सॉरी करंट ट्रांसफॉर्मर. कैपेसिटर स्टार्ट, कैपेसिटर रन, मोटर इज बेसिकली ए, सही आंसर है सिंगल फेज मोटर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 24, अ फ्यूज वर्क्स ऑन द डैश इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, सही आंसर है हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. इन ए मर्क्यूरी आर्क रेक्टिफायर पॉजिटिव आयंस आर अट्रैक्टेड टूवर्ड्स, सही आंसर है कैथोड. बुलियन एल्जेब्रा ओबेज, सही आंसर है एसोसिएटिव डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एंड कम्यूटेटिव लॉ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27, द हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर 64 AC इज इक्विवेलेंट टू डेसिमल नंबर, सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, 2577. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28, व्हेन ट्रांजिस्टर्स आर यूज्ड इन डिजिटल सर्किट्स दे यूजुअली ऑपरेट इन द, सही आंसर है सैचुरेशन एंड कट ऑफ रीजन. Question number 29, the most of the electrons in the base of an NPN transistor flow, सही आंसर है into the collector. RF amplification is used to amplify the waves. सही आंसर है before detection. Question number 31. A Karnaugh map with 4 variable has. सही आंसर है option D 16 cells. A transistor has a current gain of 0.99 in the CB mode. Its current gain in the CC mode is. सही आंसर है option A 100. Question number 33. The number of dropped regions in PN diode is. सही आंसर है 2. The types of carriers in a semiconductor are. सही आंसर है option B 2. In the case of pure bending, the beam will bend into an arc of a. सही आंसर है parabola. Question number 36. Consistency has as applied to cohesive soils is an indicator of its. Question number is C. Shear strength. Question number 37. Which one of the following is not a compression member? सही आंसर है option B tie. Milk mixes with water due to. सही आंसर है B very good adhesion. The probability distribution taken to represent the completion time in PERT analysis is. सही आंसर है option C beta distribution. The strength of timber is maximum when the load applied is. सही आंसर है option A parallel to grain. Question number 41. An ideal fluid. उसका सही आंसर है option B is both incompressible and non-viscous. Question number 42. The 2-point problem and 3-point problem are methods of. सही आंसर है resection and orientation. Question number 43. Subtense bar is an instrument used for. सही आंसर है option C measurement of horizontal distances in undulated areas. Question number 44. A soil having particles of nearly the same size is known as. Option B सही है uniformly graded. Addition of pozzolana to ordinary Portland cement increases. सही आंसर है option B shrinkage. Question number 46. Critical path. सही आंसर है option A is always longest. The scale of rectifier instrument is. सही आंसर है A linear. For measuring current at high frequency we should use. सही आंसर है option C thermocouple instrument. Question number 49. The resistance in the circuit of a moving coil of a dynamometer wattmeter should be. Option सही है C high. A dynamometer wattmeter can be used for. सही आंसर है option A जो कि है both DC and AC if scales are calibrated. Question number 51. In a low power factor wattmeter, the compensating coil is connected. इसका सही आंसर है option C in series with pressure coil. Question number 52. The average water consumption of government office ranges from. सही आंसर है option A 45 to 90 liters per capita per day. Question number 53. In water treatment, the manual screens are kept inclined at an angle of. सही आंसर है option B 45 to 60 degree with the horizontal. Question number 54. The water distribution network are normally designed for a period of. सही आंसर है option B 30 years. Question number 55. Which of the following is used for the removal of particulates as well as gaseous pollutant? सही आंसर है option B wet scrubbers. Question number 56. The summation of a 50 dBA noise level with another 50 decibels noise level is equated to. सही आंसर है option C 53 dBA. Question number 57. Which of the following is correct in respect of ozone layer? सही आंसर है option A ozone layer is being highest at the equator and lowest at its pole. Question number 58. Monitor or visual display unit is an. option A सही है output device. Which of the following memories is directly accessible by CUP? सही आंसर है RAM. Question number 60. Static RAM or SRAM is faster than dynamic RAM because. सही आंसर है SRAM does not require refreshing. 61 question number. UTF-8 is an सही ऑप्शन है बी 8-bit variable with encoding. Question number 62. The hexadecimal representation of 225.5 is सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी. Considering x and y as binary variables, the Boolean expression x plus xy is equivalent to सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए. 64. The 2's complement of the binary number is सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 65. Compiler is used to convert ऑप्शन ए सही है हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज प्रोग्राम्स टू मशीन कोड्स. Question number 66. In a class A IP address, number of network ID bit used to identify class is सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी. 67. Which of the following categories of network has smallest geographic area? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी PAN. Question number 68. The distance between two stations is 20 kilometers. If the RF of the scale is 1 by 40,000, then R by 4 lakh, then the distance between the two stations on the map will be option B सही है इसका 5 centimeter. If a line is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP, its front view will be option A is correct, a point. Question number 70. A circular plane with 60 mm diameter is resting on a point of its circumference on the VP. The surface of the plane is inclined at 45 degree to the VP. The perpendicular to HP. Its front view will be सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी a circle. Question number 71. The angle that isometric lines make with each other is सही आंसर ऑप्शन सी 120 degrees. Question number 72. The eccentricity of a parabola is सही आंसर है equals to 1. A force of 20 Newton accelerates a body from rest to a velocity of 3 meters per second in 10 seconds. The magnitude of change in momentum of the body in 1 second is सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी 20 kg meter per second. Question number 74. The mass of an object is 24 kg on the surface of Earth. Its mass on the surface of Moon will be सही आंसर ऑप्शन ए 24 kg. Question number 75. A 5 kg box is raised through a height. Its potential energy increases by 49 joule. The height is सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी 1 meter. Question number 76. Shmita uses a tuning fork of frequency 512 Hz to produce sound in the science laboratory of a school. The velocity of sound in the laboratory is 344 meter per second. The distance between two consecutive crests and the crest of the sound waves produced is सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी 0.67 meter. Question number 77. A concave lens forms an image of a real object. This image is necessarily question number D सही है diminished, erect and virtual. Question number 78 देखते हैं. A wire has a radius of 0.5 mm and carries a current of 0.5 ampere. The resistivity of the material of wire is 1.1 into 10 to the power 6 ohm meter. The potential difference per unit length along the wire is सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए 0.7 volt per meter. Question number 79. A substance A reacts with another substance B to yield a substance C and a gas D. The gas D, when passed through a lime water, turns it milky. The substance A and B are सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए. A is HCl and B is Na2CO3. Question number 80. Which of the following represent a double displacement reaction? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी. CO plus AgNO3 gives CONO3 plus 2Ag. Question number 81. Which of the following set of conditions are the most favorable for corrosion of metal? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी यानी कि humid air and presence of acidic gases. Question number 82. A trivalent metal M was made to react with oxygen to yield 0.25 mole of metal oxide. which of the following is correct statement about product of this reaction? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 83. इन मॉडर्न पीरियडिक टेबल देयर आर, सही आंसर है क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन बी, 18 ग्रुप्स एंड 7 पीरियड्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 84. Which of the following should immediately decolorize bromine dissolved in carbon disulfate? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, प्रोपीन. Question number 85. What is the term given to the sudden change in the structure of a gene? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, म्यूटेशन. Question number 86. When fumes of sulfur dioxide and nitrous oxide dissolve in water present in the cloud, they form acid which causes, सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, acid rain. Question number 87. Which teeth do we use when we cut and tear food? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, incisor and canines. Question number 88. After pollination and fertilization, which part of carpel or pistil becomes the fruit? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, ovary. Question number 89. To which kingdom of life do all bacteria belong? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, मोनेरा. Question number 90. Which one of the following does not carry oxygenated blood? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, पल्मोनरी आर्टरी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 91. यहाँ से एप्टीट्यूड चालू हो गया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 91. द HCF एंड LCM ऑफ 9 and 11 आर, सही आंसर ऑप्शन बी, 1 and 153. क्वेश्चन नंबर 92. द लीस्ट नंबर विच वन डिवाइडेड बाई 15 and 20 लिविंग रिमाइंडर 9 इन ईच केस इज, सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी. Question number 93. If a by b is equals to 4 by 5, then a plus b is equal to 63, then a is equals to 28. 94. If 3, x, 2x, 50 are in proportion, then x is equal to, so answer is C, 5√3. Question number 95. If 20% of a number is 30, then the number is, correct answer is option D, 150. Question number 96. If rupees 500 amounts to 700 in 8 years, then the rate of simple interest is, option A सही है, 5%. The compound interest of 10,000 for 1 year at the rate of 8% per annum compounded half yearly is, सही आंसर option B, 816. Question number 98. The CP of an article is rupees 210. If the loss percent is 10%, then the SP of the article is, सही आंसर option A, 240. Question number 99. The selling price of an article is 900. If it is sold at a loss of 10%, then the cost price is, सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, 1000 rupees. Question number 100. The shopkeeper mixes 20 kg of wheat which cost him rupees 16 per kg with 10 kg of wheat which cost him 12 rupees per kg. He sells the mixture at rupees 18 per kg. His profit is, correct answer is option A, 100. Question number 101. In two vessels A and B, spirit and water are in the ratio 5:2 and 3:4 respectively. The ratio in which these are mixed, which contains spirit and water in the ratio of 2:1 is, सही आंसर है option C, 5:1. Question number 102. The speed of a car is 90 km per hour. The time taken by it in seconds to cover the distance of 700 meter is, सही आंसर है 28. Question number 103. A train 120 meter long is moving with a speed of 72 km per hour. The time taken in seconds to cross the stationary train 100 meter long is, सही आंसर option C, 11. Question number 104. A and B can do a piece of work in 10 days. A alone can do the same work in 15 days. In how many days B alone can do the same work? सही आंसर है option A, 30. P and Q can do a piece of work in 15 days, Q and R in 12 days, and R and P in 20 days. The number of days required for P to do the same work is, सही आंसर है option D, 60. Question number 106. The average of cubes of first 12 whole number is, सही आंसर है option B, 20. The average of 11 observation is 20. If the average of first 6 observation is 18 and the average of last 6 observation is 25, the 6th observation is, सही आंसर है ऑप्शन A, 38. The sum of first 16 terms of the AP 10, 7, 4, 1 is, सही आंसर है ऑप्शन C, minus 200. The sum of infinite GP 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 is ऑप्शन है सही D यानी 2. A right vertical pole is tied with a string of length 20 meter on the ground. If string makes an angle of 30 degree with the ground, the length of pole is, सही आंसर option B, 10 meter. Question number 11. The angle of elevation of top of a tower 30 meter high from 2 points on the same side of a tower are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. If the 2 point and base of tower are in the same line, the distance between the 2 point is, सही आंसर option A, 20√3 मीटर. यहाँ पे रूट छूट गया है, यहाँ पे √3 होगा, यहाँ पे √3 होगा, √3 मीटर. Question number 102, 12. If x plus 2 is a factor of ax square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0, then a is equals to, सही आंसर ऑप्शन A, यानी कि सही आंसर ऑप्शन C, minus 4. One of the factor of 3x minus 4y whole cube and 4x plus 3y to the power 3 is, सही आंसर ऑप्शन D, x minus y. The value of k for which 3x square minus 5x plus 2k is equals to 0, the equal roots is, सही आंसर ऑप्शन A, 25 by 24. The sum of squares of the root of the equation x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0 is, सही आंसर है ऑप्शन B, 17. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below in the list. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन A. Question number 17. The medieval ruler who was the first to establish a ministry of agriculture is, answer is B, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Question number 118. When did Queen Victoria declared the taking over the Indian administration under British Crown? So answer option A, 1st November 1858. Question number 119. Through which one of the following continent do the equator, the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn passes through? So answer option A, Africa. Question number 120. Shiva Sundaram Falls are located in the course of the river. So answer option C, Kaveri. Which one state of India is surrounded by Bangladesh from 3 sides? इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन C, Tripura. The torque of a rectangular coil placed in uniform magnetic field is large when the, सही आंसर option A, number of turns is large. Which of the following is the best conductor of heat? सही आंसर है option A, mercury. Due to the contraction of eyeball, a long-sighted eye can see only, सही आंसर option C, nearer object which is corrected using convex lens. Question number 125. Who among the following was the chairman of the Union Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 126. Which one of the following constitutional amendments state that the total number of ministers, including the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers, shall not exceed 15% of the total number of members of the House of the People? सही आंसर है ऑप्शन B, 91st. Question number 127. Depreciation is equal to, answer is A, gross national product minus net national product. Question number 128. The slogan Garibi Unmulan, poverty eradication, was given in 5-year plan. In which 5-year plan? The correct answer is option C, 5th plan. Question number 129. The first census in India during the British period was held during the tenure of, option C, Lord Maya. Question number 30. In baseball, how many players are there in each side? Answer is 9. Which nation won the Ajlan Shah Cup hockey in April 2015? The correct answer is option D, New Zealand. Question number 132. Viruses are made up of, सही आंसर है nucleic acid and protein. Which of the following crop enrich the soil with nitrogen? सही आंसर option D, P. Which one of the following is a protein fiber? Option is C, silk. What are the elements present in urea? The correct answer is option D, that is carbon, oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen. Question number 136. The radioactive substance has a half-life of 4 months. 3/4 of the substance will decay in. The correct answer is option C, 8 months. Question number 137. In an atom of order of filling up the orbitals is governed by. Correct answer is option A, Aufbau principle. Question number 138. Scientists of which country have invented a new super powerful electron microscope, super STEM3, that can examine object in a million times smaller than a human hair? The correct answer is option C, Britain. Question number 139. Who has been bestowed with the 46th Dada Saheb Phalke Award for 2014? The correct answer is Shashi Kapoor. Question number 140. Which film was adjusted as the best motion picture at the 87th Academy Awards Oscars on 22nd February 2015? The correct answer is option C, Birdman. Question number 141. A plus B means A is the father of B, A into B means A is the son of B, and A minus B means A is the wife of B. Then, if Z into T minus S plus U, then how is Z related to U? The correct answer is option A, brother. The first two numbers of the left of the sign are related to this in a certain way. The same relationship holds for the second pair of numbers on the right side of the sign. Which of which one is missing? Find the missing one from the alternatives. Correct answer is option B. Question number 143. Nurse is related to hospital in the same way farmer is related to. The correct answer is option D, field. A team of 5 is to be selected from 4 boys A, B, C and D and 4 girls E, F, G and H. If 3 boys and 2 girls are to be selected, the team would consist of. The correct answer is option C. Arrange the following word in a meaningful logical sequence and choose the appropriate number sequence from the alternative. Correct answer जो है इसका option B. Question number 146. One term of the following number series is wrong. Find out the wrong term. The correct answer is option D, 50. Question number 147. If BAD is equals to 14 and FIC is equals to 44, then HIS is equal to. Correct answer is option A, 72. Question number 48. If democracy is coded as MEDRCOYCA, then adventure would be coded as. The correct answer is option C. Question number 149. A boy walked 2 kilometers towards west and turned left and walked 3 kilometers. Then he took a right turn and walked 4 kilometers. Finally, he took a left turn and walked 5 kilometers. How far he is from the starting point? The correct answer is option A, 10 kilometers. Question number 150. The numbers in the following figure follow a pattern. Which number would replace the question mark? The correct answer is option B, that is 40. तो फ्रेंड्स ये थे एसएससी आरआरबी जेई 2015 के शिफ्ट 1 के 150 क्वेश्चंस. थैंक यू.